case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In Vermont 2008, a heated legal dispute emerged, highlighting the fine line between zoning regulations and the sustainable practice of residential development. A local inhabitant vehemently disputed the approval of a planned residential development, PRD, on the grounds that it didn't conform to standard zoning regulations, as it didn't meet the PRD definition, had too many units, and did not comply with the mandatory minimum lot size. The controversy surrounded the proposed division of a 113-acre property into a 21-lot PRD with a generous allotment for common space. In a move to appease the naysayers, the application included a conservation strategy that earmarked 76% of the land to be preserved as open space. This appeal, spurred by a lone neighbor, spurred the case known as Pierce Subdivision application. In the heat of the legal wrangle, the environmental court, to everybody's surprise, greenlit the development, citing the application's conformance with zoning ordinances. This landmark approval only added fuel to the ongoing fiery protests, leading to an inevitable appeal from the disgruntled neighbor. The Vermont Supreme Court was tasked with unraveling this complex web of zoning guidelines. The court maintained that the environmental court's decision was by no means in violation of the law. In fact, the proposed development was in alignment with the broader goal of sustainable urban living, offering clustered housing units on undersized lots which were skillfully juxtaposed with the preservation of lush green spaces and verdant forests. Upon careful deliberation, the Supreme Court deemed the environmental court's interpretation of the PRD ordinance as being consistent with the intent of the legislature. After thorough examination and careful consideration, the court resolutely dismissed the neighbor's contention, finding no merit, confirming once again the strength of our judicial system and the tenacity of our commitment to sustainable living.
Case briefs and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.